Morning, everyone. It's been a while since I did a Sunday Live. I got a little something that I have to tell you, the reasons I've been away. And let's get started. Okay, everyone, as you know, I've told you that I'm also involved in my family's retail shop. And so I'm kind of running two things at once, trying to run a business and try to run a business. Long story short, my mom is just turned 79 years old. She's slowing down a little bit. She's had a lot of little medical issues. I've had to run her to physical therapy and a couple times urgent care, and tried to keep the store running with her. The store's been open, been closed. We don't know why we're not, all the stuff that goes with it. And so now I'm doing all the cooking, all the cleaning, all the, driving for her. My wife, Christina, she can only do so much with her special needs. So it's hard for her to cook and all that, so I do that too. So I make for the three of us. So basically, I've been running my butt off. So I wasn't planning on making a video, but there's a couple of people who are wondering what happened to me. So here it is. I've had to take a back seat on my business and let it go for right now. I will be back to get this thing going again. Like, share, and subscribe below. One of the things I need to bring up is that I'm going to go through my email list and weed it out pretty good while I'm taking a time off from my business. And the reason is, I cannot believe how many people said they were ready to get going. Oh yeah. And I tell them, okay, it's going to cost some money. And what do I give them the link? And they said, oh, I thought it was for free. And I said, no, I told you it's going to cost some money. $50 to $300, depending on what level you want to get involved with. Plus $25 for your admin fee to get your website started. Oh, well, I don't have any money. Well, those people are going to get weeded out. In the next round, I will definitely make sure that the friends on my friends list are more tier 1 people. I don't want to deal with any more freeloaders. I am really tired of it. It frustrates me, it tires me out. I run myself out of shoestring all the time, and it's not fair. And trying to keep everything going once, I just flat out was starting to get burned out. So I had to stop. There's a few people that really like what I do. They haven't signed up yet, but that's okay. Next round they will, maybe, hopefully. And say some prayers for my mom, and we'll see what happens from there. And I don't know, it's kind of funny. She's doing a lot like my grandmother did when she turned 79, 80 years old. All of a sudden she slowed down. But I saw a little bit of an increase in not being able to walk as easy and stuff like that since she got the second vaccination for this COVID crap. Yes, I said it. And the thing is, you got to take care of your family. You see the slowing down. You see that she's not steady walking out of a car or walking up onto the sidewalk. You need to be there and hold your mom, help her out. Same goes for your dad. Help them out. That's the way we do it. It's the way it's supposed to be done. And if anybody that comes down to Branson, Missouri, if you're in town, come down to the Red Garter. We have a beautiful lingerie and professional dancewear clothing. We have the professional makeup for the entertainers. We have leotards and ties for adults and children if they get back into dance and gym and gymnastics. Hopefully everything goes back to normal this school year. We still have ballet shoes, tap shoes, character shoes, jazz shoes. On the other side we have all our beautiful lingerie and all kinds of little goodies on that side, all the motions, potions, and lotions, I like to call it. So you guys take care. I will be talking to you soon. Look us up when you come down here to Branson if you want to travel in the United States. 3265 Falls Parkway, Suite S in the Falls Shopping Center. We'd be glad you came over. We're a fun little store. We're not we do pride ourselves on customer service. So, looking forward to talking to you guys soon. And this will be it for a little while until things calm down on my end. Talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.